Now I want to change my name over here. Right now it says Howdy 30 Corp. I want to change it to my full name. So I edit my profile. And then I can change the look and feel of my backend. So if you see something you like, and I like the default one, and then I scroll down. My username is 30 Corp. That is my username. It cannot be changed. Then there's the first name. My first name is 30. My last name is Spoor Pers Hoek. I did not choose it. I rather it's called 30 David. Well, my second name is David. But my last name is Spoor Pers Hoek. It's just the way it is. My nickname, I can change it. And then over here, display publicity as. I rather have 30 Corp Pers Hoek. So when I write a blog post, it will say the author is 30 Corp instead of 30 Corp. Well, I want to have an image over here of myself. I can do two things. I can scroll down and I can add a profile picture, or you can change your email address, let me see, over here, to an email address that is linked with Gravatar. So I have an email address that is linked with Gravatar, and what you can do, you can click over here. I have a separate tutorial about it. You can sign in, upload an image, over here for instance, my email address, and then when I use the same email address over here, the image from Gravatar will be linked. So if I say my other email address, then I scroll down and I update my profile, and now my profile is updated and I see this image over here. Okay, so that's how it works. My website, well, you can have any website over here, and something about yourself. We'll talk about it later. You can change your password if you want to, and you can update your profile. Then we can go to appearance, themes, and we can upload all those themes if we want to. And now our front end still looks like this. I don't like it, so again, if I go to the back end, to appearance, and I select 2020, it looks like this, which again is